Hey guys, so this is a little weird for me because I usually go on YouTube and I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, but it's not my channel this time. The reason why I'm making this video today for you guys is to show you what I received in the mail from Honey's Handmade. So they reached out to me last week and asked if I wanted to participate in a campaign that is celebrating Melba'S kitchen collection. And yes, you might be thinking, didn't she drop that already? But this is going to be the second collection that she is putting out to celebrate her late mother. I was super excited to hear from them. I've seen videos from when her first collection dropped, and I actually purchased some of those products, which I've been using, and I absolutely love them. So, you know, I had to say yes. So that's why I'm on here and I'm bringing you guys this video. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing. I did already cut it open. I didn't look at any of the products yet. I just took off, you know, my shipping label. I kind of put it over here. Don't want you guys to see that. Can't be stalking me. In this box, we are getting 10 items. These products are valued at about $198. They are on sale on the website right now for pre-order for $65 for the whole bundle. So that's definitely a steal, and you guys should check it out. So I'm gonna go over everything I got today. The link is in my bio. If you click on my profile here on Instagram, you can follow me on here and also subscribe to me on YouTube. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first up we have Melba'S Sweet Pea and Spirulina Low Poo Conditioning Co-Wash Cleanser. I love packaging and I love companies who take the time to safely package their items. So again, this is the Low Poo Co-Wash. All right, next up we have this shampoo bar. It's Melba'S Light Beer and Ale Honey Lather Hand Poured Poo Bar. So I haven't used any shampoo bars yet, so this may be the first one and I'm excited to try it. It just has clear packaging. I'm so excited to try this stuff out, and the fact that they sent me 10 items, mind blown. So this is Melba'S Lemonade and Cucumber Mist Refresher. So I am allergic to cucumber, but we will see. I'll read up on this product a little more and decide if I'm gonna try to use it. All right, oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. This is so cute. Next up is a coconut and apple curl glaze. This sounds interesting. I have to smell it on camera. I'm gonna tell you guys what it smells like. So it has that cinnamony, can't even talk, but then it smells like apple. It doesn't really smell like cinnamon anymore, but this texture is so cool. I'm excited to try this out. Hopefully I can get some good definition out of this. All right, next up we have Melba'S Omega-3 Fatty Acid Hair Mask. So this has like a clean scent to it. It seems pretty thick. So I like the idea of this because when I was reading up on it, obviously she made this collection dedicating it to her late mother, who loved to cook all types of soul food, and obviously you don't want a hair product that smells like fish. So this was an awesome idea of her to add things with omega-3s and things to really help prevent like shedding, breakage, and help nourish your hair. So omega-3 is something you find in fish, fried fish from soul food, and I really can't wait to see how this works for me. All right, I just pulled this out the box. I'm like, what is this? So because I see a little spoon here. This is so cute. I've never had a product come with something like this. So this is Melba'S Detoxifying Buttermilk Stone Grit Scalp Scrub, made with unfiltered apple cider vinegar. I don't know if you guys can see these granules, so they're moving around. This is interesting. It looks so thick, you're wondering like, how is this gonna dissolve in my hair? It smells like apple cider vinegar. Next up is Melba'S Butter Pecan Curl Defining Butter. This definitely, it smells like butter pecan. It's very loose. Okay, so following that product, we have Melba'S Sweet Potato and Turmeric Healthy Scalp Hair Mask. So if you guys are familiar with her first collection, she did come out with a sweet potato low poo co-wash. I think a lot of people really enjoyed that one product from the first collection. Ooh, this color. Every time I go to smell something, it either ends up in my mouth or on my nose. This smells really good. It reminds me of the sweet potato low poo. All right, we are almost coming to the end. I don't know if you guys can see in here, there's like a little flower in there. So this is a creamy corn silk. It's a hair serum for instant shine, tames frizz. It strengthens naturally. Ooh, I love products with applicator tips. So it's a bit thicker. When I do my full review, I'll show you guys. It smells pretty good. So I guess it's calendula in here. Calendula petals. You have to read through everything, but this smells pretty good. Okay, Honey Handmade, you guys are doing it. Your mother would be proud. Lastly, here we have Melba'S Hair Stuffing Decadent Daily Moisturizer. So all the jars look the same. They are all 8 ounces. full-size products. It has like a cinnamony, again, cinnamony, spicy smell to it. I'm making a mess. Lastly, we got a cute little, ooh, fancy. It matches my shirt right now. It's a cute fashion statement for the summer. Carry all my products in here. It's like a cute little caddy. Oh my god, a bag in a bag. So it says here, soul food, a noun, traditional Southern African American food. Guys, it matches what I'm wearing now. Who would have thought? And the fact that it is dedicated to her mother, because I am close to my mom as well, is super cute. I'm so excited to review them for you guys. So again, make sure to go to my profile here on Instagram, click the link in my bio, and subscribe to me on YouTube. Again, I want to thank you guys from Handmade for reaching out to me, and I'm so excited to review these products and celebrate the second edition of Melba'S kitchen collection. So catch me on YouTube, guys, and you will see more about this. I may be posting also on my Instagram stories, so stay tuned. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.